Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the car and organizing tools so nothing slows you down. Loosen the lug nuts now while the wheel still contacts ground. That prevents the wheel from spinning. Jack the vehicle at the manufacturer lift point, then place jack stands. Never rely on the jack alone. Remove the wheel and inspect the rotor and caliper briefly so you know what you'll handle next. Once done, set parts on a clean towel to keep contaminants off. You unbolt the caliper mounting bolts and carefully hang or support the caliper so the brake hose isn't stressed. That prevents leaks. Once loose, retract the piston using a C-clamp or dedicated tool. This creates space for thicker new pads and explains why you must watch the brake fluid level so it doesn't overflow. Remove the old pads and any clips or shims, then clean the caliper bracket and slide surfaces to ensure smooth operation. Make sure moving parts. You fit the new pads and any anti-rattle clips, applying a thin layer of high-temperature brake grease only to metal contact points. Avoid pad friction surfaces. Reposition the caliper and torque its bolts to the vehicle's specification. Reinstall the wheel, lower the car, and torque lug nuts in a star pattern. Once seated, pump the brake pedal until it firms, because that pushes the piston back into contact. If you hear grinding or feel spongy brakes, check for loose hardware, fluid leaks, or improperly seated pads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.